How to delete a YouTube video that you have uploaded from your channel. So hey guys, if you want to delete any YouTube video that you have uploaded, so all you need to do is follow these simple steps. The first thing you need to do is simply open up your YouTube Studio account. Then once you're inside the YouTube Studios, simply head on the content tab at the left corner. This will display the list of all the videos that you have published from your YouTube account. Then, once you have found the video that you want to delete, simply hover your cursor over it and click on these three dots present. Once you have clicked, you can see this option of delete forever. Make sure that this is a permanent step and then it cannot be restored. So, once you have decided to delete, simply click on the delete forever option and you need to click on this check mark which says, I understand that deleting this video is permanent and I will lose all access to audience and videos analytics. So once you have selected the check mark, simply proceed by clicking on the delete forever button. And once you have done that, you can see this message which says video successfully deleted. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.